Good morning, everyone. Let's do conditional formatting in MS Excel. There's a data in front of you. I'll be selecting it first. Then conditional formatting on Home tab. Highlight cell rules. It's giving you different options. Greater than. Greater than 59.5 is highlighted already, as you can see in dark red color. So I'll be pressing OK. Then other formatting less than less than less than 50, and I want to change its color as well, yellow. Okay, you can see the change in data side by side. Then equal to, I'll be changing it into 55. So green color, pick green color from here. Okay, the data is looking differently. It's being used for different purposes. It's totally up to you how you are using it. Now I'm going to another example for the conditional formatting. Sometimes we need to compare between data, today's data with the previous year's data. The 2002 marks can be compared with previous year, and how I'm gonna do it, I'll just click and equal sign, then I'll be clicking in D5 minus C5. By pressing enter, it's giving me the difference between these 2 years. There's no difference, fine, that's good. No loss, no gain. But for the rest of the values, as you can see, there are minus values as well. And there, when it's thousands of the data in front of you, you want to highlight the minus. Sometimes you want to highlight the figures which are in minus to look differently. I'll be going to format only cells that contain less than. Less than means less than the number which I'll be giving it to 0. I want to format the values which are less than 0 to look differently in the data for my quick observation, and I want to change its color into red. Okay, and like this, it's actually at the very first glance giving you a good idea about the profit and loss, or the good results and the bad. Fine. Once done, after doing it, I'll be going to insert tab. I want to show it in some good kind of charts. Charts are better, and they are giving you quick look and a better comparison between two values or three or whatever. So initially I'll be pressing it to suitable position, and then once I click this plus sign appears over here. I'll be going to access titles. Access titles were not there before, as you can see. I can add them up, and I can change it into whatever. If I want to change it to difference, you can just by pressing, you can do it like this. Actually, once a backspace is taking you towards the back position over here. No worries. Access titles can be any, up to you as you want it to look like. I'll be now, once the cursor is inside, now I can change the appearance or the words which I want to write over here. So similarly, we can do it over here. Once the cursor is there, then I can write. So I'll be writing subjects over the different subjects here. Fine. Okay. Yeah, what else we can do in our data? There are many things actually. What if I want to just, as you can see, 2020, the data of 2020, I want to look it differently. So there is format design over here. I'll be picking format selection, and this dialog box, as you can see, I can change the spaces of the bars. The space between these bars can be increased or decreased like this, and I can change the glow. I like this glow. Up to you. There are different glow options over here for you. You can change the color as well. The color can be changed from here. Anything. You can change it into any color you like the most. Fine. Once there are different options, different formatting options. Soft edges, 3D formats. 3D formats are, if I come a little bit down, 3D formats. As kids are doing it very different way. So it will be looking like this if I do this top level. So up to you. It's looking differently now. Once I think it's alright for me, and closing that dialog box, I'll be just selecting this chart area again, and I can change it into different charts. It's not a must that you are going for column chart, and you cannot do apply or into line chart, and there are so many other charts available for you. You can handle them accordingly as the way you want it to look like. Fine. This was line chart. There is another different chart over here, like it looks like this. You can see side by side. Fine. There are these charts as well. So many different options, and it's totally up to you. Whatever you're picking for your data. 2D, 3D, line charts. What about this combo chart? This is a new thing in this. These charts actually it's giving you a better comparison between this. There's a gray line which is showing you the difference between these 2 years as well. Combo chart. I like this. So I have applied it. Totally up to you. You can do it accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. That's all from my side for today.